Little Maya loved learning new words.
Her teacher, Ms. Periwinkle, always said, "Words are like magic keys, unlocking whole worlds of understanding." One day, Ms. Periwinkle wrote the word happy on the board. "What does happy mean?" she asked. Maya's hand shot up. "It means smiling," she declared, showing her own bright grin. "That's part of it, Ms." Periwinkle said, smiling back. "But what about when someone is happy but not smiling?" Little Ben, usually shy, spoke up. "It means feeling good inside." "Excellent, MZ," Periwinkle exclaimed. "Happy can mean feeling joy, contentment, or even just feeling really, really good. It can be a quiet feeling, a bubbly feeling, a warm feeling. It depends on the person and the situation." She then showed them pictures. A child laughing while playing with a puppy. A family sharing a meal together, their faces relaxed and content. A person peacefully reading a book under a tree. Each picture showed happiness differently. Maya thought about her own happy moments. The time she built a magnificent sandcastle. The day her grandma baked her favorite cookies. The feeling of snuggling with her kitten. Each one felt different, yet they all shared that same special glow. The next day, Maya saw her friend Leo looking sad. He'd dropped his ice cream cone. Maya remembered M's Periwinkle's lesson. Instead of just saying, "Don't be sad," she asked, "What makes you happy, Leo?" Leo thought for a moment. "Playing with my robot," he said quietly. Maya suggested they play together at recess. Soon, Leo was happily showing her all the cool things his robot could do, his sadness completely forgotten. Maya realized that understanding the meaning of happy wasn't just about knowing the definition. It was about understanding the feelings of others and finding ways to share joy.